Hey, new winter project just grabbed a few days ago because the GL, I'm waiting on parts. I'm waiting on a clutch handle. And there's not too much more I can do with that this winter. It's almost done. This is a 2002 Yamaha BWs 50cc, completely stock. The little battery cover is out because I had to charge the battery. The battery's actually good. It starts and runs and everything, but these things are limited. They've got like a 60 kilometer top speed. This thing's got a clutch issue or a choke issue. Doesn't like starting cold. It's only about 0 today. But it runs and most everything works. The little seat belt latch that is supposed to be, you turn the key off and it unlocks the seat. Someone put a wire on there. And anyway, there's some really easy, simple things you can do to these to get them to about 85, almost 90 kilometers an hour. Costs nothing. They're absolutely free. And that's what I'm going to be doing in the little video series with this thing. But I just figured I'd introduce you to it. Again, 2002 Yamaha 50cc BWS. I think it's got 6,000 original kilometers. The guy I got it off was just in it, using it in his up at his cottage to go back and forth from his cottage trailer thingy to the store and to the beach and stuff. He's had it for like 15 years doing that, and decided to get rid of it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I put a new video out. Thanks for watching.